15-inch MacBook Air. It's the world's best 15-inch laptop. It has a great 1080p camera for video calls, along with a 3-mic array. With a Core i7 processor, MacBook Air is up to twice as fast. We're super excited about the all-new 15-inch MacBook Air, the world's best 15-inch laptop. And it starts at just $1,299 and $1,199 for education. An incredible value for such an incredible laptop. We're also excited that the 13-inch MacBook Air now starts at $1,099, $100 less than before. And the 13-inch Air with M1 remains in the lineup at $999. So customers have more choices than ever to find the perfect Air for them. So that's MacBook Air. Next, let's talk about our Pro products. Earlier this year, we announced M2 Pro and M2 Max, along with the new MacBook Pro and Mac Mini. And it starts at just $1,299 and $1,199 for education. 13-inch MacBook Air now starts at $1,099, $100 less than before. You can order it today, and it'll be available next week.